Parang hindi pa nga ako responsable sa sarili ko para pa sa isang life, 'di ba?
Deal breaker ba if ever yung partner mo ay gusto niya mag-anak tas ikaw ayaw mo?
Mabuntis lang ako magkaanak just to please lang yung side lang ng isa. In the process of it, parang mag-suffer yung anak ko kasi like I couldn't really give my 100%.
Appreciate sa kanya na
Na-appreciate mo pero hate mo din.
kasi nga ako yung nasa limbo.
And I think that my bloodline stops now. Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of FAQ. It's your sobrang Latinang girl, Ana.
Hindi nag-agree.
Guide to nature. Sa bago.
Okay. Hi guys! It's me, Ana.
And this is your gorgeous girl, Hazel Grace.
And my name is Jeff. Jeff? Hindi sure. My name is Jeff. Kain tayo.
And welcome to another episode of FAQ. The frequently asked question for today is, should you have kids
Or-
in this day and age?
Is it, am I selfish if I don't like kids? I don't want kids for
Yes.
myself.
Grabe naman sa selfie. Parang selfish if I don't like kids. Pag may nakita kang kids, nagagalit ka. Oy, ano yan? Charot. Hindi, pero more on, madaming nagsasabi na parang ang mga bata daw, yung pagkakaroon ng anak, parang liability na yun. I'm hearing this from places and people. And meron din naman talagang generation pa din na parang ay, ang
It's your
pagkakaroon
obligation
Oo, parang
to the world.
to the world na kailangan mong punan yung bawat sulok ng daigdig ng mga boses ng bata. So, kayo naman, anong take ninyo from someone who does have kids and from someone who
Would
Ano na ba?
not have kids.
ano na ba yun? Set in
Final,
stone?
yes.
Oh, really?
Yes.
And someone who's thinking about having kids. So, we wanna help you, guide you
Guide?
how to make kids. Hindi, charot lang.
Ano ba yung life ng isang tao na may anak? Ano ba yung
Perspective ng isang taong who wouldn't.
yes? And isang nasa limbo.
That's a limbo.
Yeah.
Na kumakain ng maha.
Yes.
Our today's sponsor, si
Thank you
Tita.
kay Lola Bay.
Lalabay.
Ano ba muna yung thought process? Bakit ayaw mo mag-anak?
That's interesting.
Okay, so ayoko mag-anak kasi madaming reasons yan. So first is, I know that I'm not ready yet as a parent and I don't want to like pass the trauma that I experienced to my newborn child. And also like with today's economy, you know, taking care of a child is really hard. It involves a lot of responsibilities. Like, you have to think of their future then as well. Hindi yung parang you expect them to just be there and mag-grow up na lang. So, ayun, it takes a lot of responsibilities and I think that my bloodline stops now.
Ako kasi nasa stage pa ako ng, mag-anak ka na, parang ayan na, high time na. As a woman, lagi kang binibigyan ng biological clock. Totoo naman siya, pero ang hirap kasi ngayong age na ang mahal ng bilihin, inflation.
Right.
Pero at the same time, when you see the babies in Instagram, when you see babies in Facebook, or even your friends' kids, na parang, ang cute-cute. Gusto mo magkaroon ng cute version of you, na ina-nurture mo, na mamahalin mo, na parang you would give the love na maybe hindi mo na kuha. Firm believer talaga ako ng if I want to have kids, I want to get married talaga. So, no offense syempre sa mga taong nag-decide to do it out of yung
Marriage.
out of marriage. Kasi iba rin kasi yung parang kakalakhan niya kapag halimbawa mag-isa lang ako, and also financially ang hirap, no? Ang hirap na mag-isa ka lang talaga. Pero kung si Ana, siya yung parang naka-set in stone na hindi siya mag-aanak, ganyan. Ikaw, Jeff, from someone na
Nanganak talaga.
Set natin yung profile natin sa audience, no? Si Ana, ilang years na kayo magka-live-in?
5 years?
5 years. Tas kami naman, 12 years na kaming kasal. Si Hazel is nasa gitna, hindi pa niya alam kung
Confused.
doon ba siya sa kabila or dito siya sa kabila. perspective. Actually, maganda yung iniisip mo talaga muna if you really want a kid. Kasi hindi naman siya joke na responsibility. Like yung iba na nagpalaki na pamangkin.
Na pwede mo isole.
Pwede mong isole anytime. Diba? Pag tumae, diba? Lumaki kasi ako ng mag-isa ako. Yun.
Yeah.
Only child, single parent. Tapos sa bahay, from 6 a.m., umaalis mama ko, tapos umuwi siya ng bahay late night na, midnight na. Yun. So, lumaki talaga ako na puro cricket sound yung kasama ko. Kasi yun sa mga what ifs ko. What if meron akong family na lagi kong kasama, meron akong parents na kompleto, gano'n. What if may sibling ako, may mga gano'n ako. Isa yun sa mga factors na kinonsider ko nung time na gusto ko ba talaga. Yun. So early 20s, alam ko sure naman ako eh. Kasi number one, may career naman ako nun. Promising in career. Tapos may savings din ako. Nun. So yung kasal namin, yung pagpapaanak, lahat yun, ako na yun.
Feeling ko kasi anomaly si Jeffrey eh. Wow. Parang, big anomaly. Gano'n. Rare case. Kasi, sino ba, believe me, sa mga audience na nakikinig sa amin ngayon, nakarinig na ba kayo ng guy na parang ganito yung mindset? Madami, pero halos sa kanila, puro salita. Parang it's a big concept for them, but kudos to my friend. Talagang sinat niya sa sarili niya. Oo, sinat niya talaga yung sarili niya na ito yung gusto kong mangyari. Meron kasi talaga ngayon ng mga relationship na paasahin ka,
but they won't do the work.
Oo. And they expect the woman to do all the hard work. Diba? The reason why you have to choose better is you're choosing not just the husband but or partner, but you're also choosing your kid's father. Kasi ikaw lang naman pwedeng mag-decide nun eh. Kasi may iba na, sige, okay lang. Parang nangyari na, sasabihin lang nila na, okay na, dito ni, ako na lang magpapalaki.
Okay na to.
Okay na to.
Yes.
Okay na to.
Siguro, maano ko lang na opposite kami ni Jeff kasi, like, ako, came from a big family din of 7 kami. Doon ko na-realize how, toxic a family can get. So, siguro parang, when I became an adult, I decided na I would never have kids. Nakita ko how yung marriage ng parents ko fell apart and yun, and how it affected me. And so ayoko lang like parang mapasa yun sa anak ko. You can have your child if you want, pero at the same time, I also want to embrace na yung parang nangyayari now that women are taking more reins on their body and their choice.
The autonomy.
Mainly kasi if I may just segue a bit kasi dun sa yung sa sinabi mo na yung babae yung majority na nagtitake ng responsibility.
Diba?
Imagine like from 9 months, ikaw yung nag-aalaga ng bata na yon sa tiyan mo. Your body went through a lot. Tas parang, even yung mga cells mo na degenerate sa pag-bear ng child. Tapos parang, right after that, parang ikaw yung magpapadede, ikaw yung mag-aalaga sa kanila from the very early years. So that's why Jeff is also like kind of an exception kasi ikaw, you really took responsibility and it's not always the case siguro. Like,
not always the case.
Pero I'm also not saying na in my relationship parang my boyfriend don't want. Parang we both agree on a decision na magpapavasectomy siya kasi we agree na we really don't want to have a child, especially on this day and age. Hindi naman as a selfish reason din, but I think a very selfless one. Kasi we wouldn't want this child, say, to be born in a condition na hindi siya fully masusupport. And also, like, come on, let's talk about climate change.
Oo. Kasi parang, yun na rin yung naiisip natin na ngayon, di ba, sobrang init. Akala ng ibang tao na parang normal lang siya, but it's not. You will leave kids in this state of the world. That's why you have to vote wisely. You have to make sure that you vote people who would advocate for us. Kasi para yun sa mga bata talaga. Ngayon nagtatrabaho na ako, na-realize na parang hirap kumita ng pera. So, paano ako napag-aral ng mga magulang ko sa private school? Paano nila nabigyan ng, nabigay yung mga bagay na gusto ko? Hindi na, kailangan. Ngayon, naiisipin ko sa sweldo ko, kaya ko ba? Pero Pero siguro kung may partner talaga ako na parang maaasahan, possible, 'di ba?
How did you like navigate that?
Yeah.
Finances?
Oh.
Syempre dapat mag-work ka. Yung job mo is something na dapat kayang bitbitin yung pamilyang binubuo mo. 'Di ba? Kasi
Right.
hindi rin naman kasi pwedeng anak ka ng anak tapos hindi pala kaya, 'di ba?
Dugs ka ng Diyos.
Oo, so dapat ka rin, may family planning number 1. So not because gusto mo ng kids, paggawa lang ng gawa, unlimited. Hindi ganun. Yun, saka one thing din, parang hindi mo kasi pwedeng sabihin or i-judge yung person na ayaw niya ng anak. Mag-anak ka, hindi kailangan sayang lahi. Mahirap kasi kapag andyan yung bata, tapos maririnig niya na ayoko nga ng anak, ayaw ng parents ng anak.
Very hurtful.
So ayaw ako ng parents ko. Parang, 'di ba? May ganong so saka number 1, hindi naman ikaw yung araw-araw na kasama ng bata.
Oo nga.
'Di ba?
Wala silang
Right.
pang-ambag.
So kung ayaw ng tao mag-anak, be it, 'di ba?
And kung gusto rin nila mag-anak, as
Yes,
long as
oo.
they're responsible. Diba?
Kasi sabi nga nila, ako kasi ang lagi ko sinasabi, pag may mga nagsasabi na ang dami mong anak. Parang gano'n. So,
Madami na yun.
kumbaga parang for me, ang ano kasi doon, yun kasi yung part ng contribution ko sa future generations. Yun yung point of view ko, na parang magpapalaki ako ng mga bata na may takot sa Diyos, maayos na mga citizens.
Yes.
Diba?
Which should be the goal, yeah.
Yun yung gusto ko.
Oo, parang yun din yung ang dami kong polarizing, no? Parang ayoko dahil nga this economy. Oo. Pero 'di ba, imagine yun talaga yung parang if you have kids, tapos imagine ako bilang kaibigan mo, Ana, iisipin ko na lang there's a little you and a little cheeky making a difference in this world, 'di ba? Ang cute. So, ito nga mga anak ni Jeff, parang pag nakikita ko sila, parang sobrang full of wonderful potentials. So, my kid, wala, nandyan lang siya sa tabi, naglalaro. Nagiging whiz kid, ganyan, pagdating sa mga PC games. Pero, yun siya. You have to be intentional. And I feel sa generation natin ngayon, there are a lot na parang who's choosing na huwag mag-anak because of the same reason that you have momshi. Pero meron ding mga taong intentional. Kasi kaya natin naririnig yung mga different style of parenting now, 'di ba? Katulad ng mga gentle parenting, mga hindi ko na alam yung iba pero may mga ganun, kakaiba, mga Montessori, hindi, meron na pala nun before, pero mas intentional sila ngayon na hindi na nila inaasa lang sa school, pero talagang they wanna hone their children to be people na alam mo yun, parang for the future, for the better, ganyan.
Yeah. I just wanna say that statistically, meron na tayong mga aging population.
Oh, yeah.
Very apparent yan. Especially the more na naghihirap na nga yung bansa, the more na nagde-decline talaga siya. Kasi you know why? Ito yung parang cycle na mag-aaral ka, tapos gagraduate ka ng college, and then makikipag-compete ka sa rat race sa company mo.
Right.
Tapos parang a lot of people find themselves very lonely sa ganong klaseng system. Like halimbawa, they wake up at 9 and they sleep at 9, tapos parang same day process the next day, tapos parang a lot of people are now questioning, is this really the life na you want, and is it also the kind of life that you want for the kids? Kaya yun, I just wanna say na even sa Pilipinas, medyo aging population na rin kasi a lot of people don't want to anak.
Hindi diretso lang. Ma-overwhelm ko sa English ni Ana. Joke.
I'm so sorry.
Joke.
Kasi like, sobrang English era talaga.
Kala ko sasabihin mo golden retriever kay the only golden retriever that I love is Berlin.
I mean, what if mga nakatas katulad ng mga
Katulad ni Berlin.
Ay, yes, that's the only golden retriever that we love.
Yes.
Most here.
Yes, that's right.
Hindi, pero totoo naman na mostly yung mga East Asian countries, yung may ganung mindset. Kasi iba yung nila iba yung kultura nila pagdating sa trabaho Dahil ko to naririnig at kahit ako sinasabi ko to sa sarili ko dati, parang hindi pa nga ako responsable sa sarili ko para paano pa sa isang life, 'di ba? Ibang klase yung mga tao na nag-decide katulad ni Jeff na magkaroon ng kids at this age.
Yeah, but also some people, they didn't decide.
Oh yeah, oo.
Me, poor family planning kasi, yeah.
Yung mga
Pero question, deal breaker ba if ever yung partner mo, ayaw niya, gusto niya mag-anak, tas ikaw ayaw mo.
Oh,
Like, super gusto mo talaga yung, like, si Chiki, kunwari. Tapos
Pero gusto niya
gusto
mag-anak,
talaga
so
niya.
ayaw.
Oo.
I think it will be a deal breaker.
Oh,
I'm so sorry, Chiki. Mainly kasi talaga I'm very adamant na hindi ko kaya mag-anak. And I think magkakaroon kami ng conflict later on and in the future when may differences kami sa ganun. Kailangan it always be may common ground kami why we decide to have a child kasi it will be a source of our conflict. And ayoko naman na parang mabuntis lang ako magkaanak just to please lang yung side lang ng isa. Tapos in the process of it para mag-suffer yung anak ko kasi like I couldn't really give my 100%, I think.
Akin kasi si Dudu Bear, kung nasan ka man ngayon, naging upfront naman siya and that's what I appreciate sa kanya na
Na-appreciate mo pero hate mo din.
kasi nga ako yung nasa limbo. Oo, na parang sinabi niya kaagad na ganun, kasi yan ng mga kids. Pero sinabi ko sa kanya, what if di tayo biyayaan? Kasi you never know 'di ba? Lalo na ngayon na parang pakiramdam ko padami yung mga babae na nagkakaroon ng reproductive issues, di ba? Yeah. So, ayun, parang sabi naman niya, okay lang naman daw kung wala. Since ang dami naman ng bata sa mundo, mag-adopt na lang, di ba? Kasi, pakiramdam ko, and this would be a bit controversial, na marami sa pro-lifers ang malakas magsabi na halimbawa, bawal wag mag-abort, pero sila rin naman yung walang ginagawa about yung mga kids na nasa mga orphanage, yung mga kids na nagugutom, 'di ba? So
you appreciate na lang.
Appreciate. That's a new word. Ayun. Pero ikaw, Jeff, coming from someone na syempre you already have a family, ano pa ba? Siguro mas
What
iba
if,
yung
gusto pa ni likes pero ayaw na. Yes, very
iba
Latina.
Ayoko na talaga. Kasi syempre, dito papasok yung dapat good communicators kayo.
Okay.
Diba? Kung ano ba yung goals mo in life, kailangan dapat malatag mo yung reasonings mo behind bakit gusto mo or bakit ayaw mo. Para mas magkaintindihan kayo. Baka kasi mamaya may perspective lang din yung partner mo na hindi mo lang pwede naman pala pag-usapan.
May slide ba to?
Oo, kumbaga parang hindi mo
perspective.
hindi mo lang na-consider or ganito pala naiisip niya.
We can see two different perspectives. Kay Jeff, when you have a child, make sure na parang for you it's a contribution then to society and also something na you should be fully responsible for.
And for you, it's a no.
Sa akin naman, yes, it's a no kasi parang there's a lot of things at stake and with the current condition ng society, parang it's really hard to give birth o magluwal ng isang being, ganyan. And for Hazel, always learn to appreciate at the end of the day.
At the end of the day, appreciate.
Yeah, but for Hazel, like, you have to be more careful when considering when, then yung timing, and also like the reasons why you have a child. And it should be for good reasons. So,
walang tama, walang mali. Yun.
Yes, that's right.
And kayo guys, ano ba yung take ninyo on this matter?
Kasi let us know.
Yes, we are interested. Gusto namin basahin lahat ng comments niyo and ideas ninyo about this topic. So, comment down below and please don't forget
to like and subscribe.
Yes. Available ang lahat ng episodes natin on Spotify and YouTube. New episodes every Fridays at 6 p.m.
Yes. See you in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye. Hey.